Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So in this video, we will solve the characters, like how we can use the characters. So let us read the problem statement. So print the characters from A to Z in different lines, in different line in Java. So we have to print the A to Z characters. Different line means line by line. So I hope you understand the problem. So let us write the program. So as we know, if we want to use scanner class, we have to write import java.util.start. So, but here we are not using the scanner. Why? Because we have to print the characters. That's it, right? From A to Z. So user need not to take any user inputs to print that characters. For this, we have to use the for loop tool. First, we have to think. So what tool we have to use to solve this problem? So it is A to Z. So we have to use the for loop because each and every time the loop will be iterated. So you can solve this problem in any other way. But how can we use the tools, the for loop tool, if, else if? So all these tools you have to understand how we can use the tools based upon the problem set. So here I'm using